Hello, my name is Lars Reinkemeyer, Customer Transformation Advisor at Celonis, and I would like to invite you to my session on process-led supply chain transformation. In my previous role at Siemens, I had the opportunity to support some very smart people with process mining insights to drive supply chain transformation, from static PowerPoint and Excel reporting to data and fact-based insights, and thus build intelligent execution system which allowed significant value realization for Siemens. So if you're interested to understand how Siemens has been able to improve delivery reliability, to reduce inventories and working capital, and build a resilient supply chain, how ABB has been able to reduce carbon emission with intelligent process execution, then tune into my session, join the dialogue, and hopefully we'll be able to also bilaterally communicate. Looking forward to seeing you on May 17th and getting into the dialogue there. Thank you.